Hi friends, I'm Kaylin, a nutrition educator from CalFresh Healthy Living for the University of California Cooperative Extension. And welcome to Harvest of the Month. This month we'll be learning about peaches. Peaches are a delicious stone fruit that comes from a fruit-bearing tree. The Spanish name for peach is durazno. As a stone fruit, peaches have a single large seed, also known as a stone, hence the name, surrounded by juicy flesh. Other common stone fruits include cherries, plums, and apricots. And an interesting fact, peaches and nectarines are treated as different fruits, but they actually belong to the same species. Nectarines are a type of peach with smooth, fuzzless skin. There are two main cultivars of peaches, clingstone and freestone. Clingstone peaches are processed with the seed removed and then canned, preserved, juiced, or used for baby food, while freestone peaches are sold as a fresh produce. Peach trees originated in western China about 4,000 years ago. From there, Alexander the Great introduced the peach to Greek and Roman society. From there, the peach traveled from the Mediterranean and North Africa during the Middle Ages. Then Spanish and Portuguese explorers brought peaches to the Americas in the 1500s. The Spanish missionaries in California planted the first peach tree in the mid-18th century. Then, the gold miners began California's commercial peach production in 1849 due to high demand. A half cup of sliced peaches, or about half a medium peach, provides a great source of vitamin A and vitamin C. It also provides a great source of fiber. Vitamin A is great for maintaining strong eyes and healthy skin, while vitamin C helps your body heal cuts and wounds. Fiber is important for proper bowel function. Peach trees are warm-weather deciduous trees that can grow up to 20 feet high. Deciduous means that the tree sheds its leaves annually during the fall. Peaches grow best inland and in warm tropic to subtropic climates. The United States is the world's leading producer of peaches. California leads the country in peach and nectarine production, growing 84% of the peaches and 95% of the nectarines. Additionally, California is the nation's sole provider of the clingstone peaches. Fresno County is California's leading producer of peaches and nectarines. Most trees are grafted cultivars. Grafting is a process whereby a short section of a shoot is taken from another desired fruit-bearing tree. That short section is then inserted into the limb or trunk of a seedling tree. Then the graft union, where the two sections meet, are held together tightly and secured. The fresh graft is then sealed with grafting wax to prevent drying before the two sections have had a chance to heal together. Want more information about grafting? Check out the CC in our video about grafting fruit-bearing trees. Getting hungry? Check out the link below for this peach salsa recipe from foodheroes.org. What's your favorite peach recipe? Peaches are wonderfully delicious fruits that can be eaten whole or easily be added to a favorite recipe. Remember, the Spanish name for peach is durazno. Thank you for joining us for this spotlight on peaches as our harvest of the month. How will you enjoy peaches this month? See if you can find peaches in your school cafeteria, at the grocery store, or in the garden. Thanks for watching. See you next month.